Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. Today is my art challenge day 5. Today's April 5th, and I am working on this hummingbird and I'm using colored pencils. So I'm using this reference photo, and what I did is I used my light box and I put this on top of the light box, so this under the paper. And then this, I traced it, and I'm just using my Shuttle Art pencils to color it in. So I'm not doing a demo today, but I will probably do a longer demo as I continue this, maybe over the weekend. So, hope you subscribe so that you'll get notification as I work on this. Again, I'm using my Shuttle Art pencils. This is the reference photo. Again, it's not going to be exact, but I did use my light box to trace it because the main thing of this is the coloring in using the pencil and not necessarily drawing the bird. So again, stay tuned for that demo as I continue with this, and maybe I'll do a demo on how I use my light box to make the tracing, maybe for another bird or another animal. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.